Guys, kung nakikita nyo, you know what I'm saying? Dalawang lechon. So guys, tamang tipon-tipon lang dito sa Hamilton community, you know? Like, Hamilton Filipino community is just Christmas party, you know? Just to have fun bago matapos yung taon and kain kasama sila, you know? Hey, what's that? Lechon! Ito, basta po. Yan, no? So, balat po, gusto niyo pa po?
Ay, sige. Ay, meron na. Meron pa.
Laman?
Yung ribs.
Ribs?
Yun. Kada. Babi.
Sige, which po yan? May isa pa po. Hi po.
Hello!
Ano po?
Ka lang ako, abandan ng Hi po, kamusta? Kamay lang to.
Putangnya panet, yes.
Opo, dadagdagan ko po.
Ako, ani, oy!
Okay lang po yan.
Uy, nagalang po to, Kalang paano to? Ay, thank you!
So, gustong-gusto po talaga ng mga Pilipino yung mga balat. So, alam niyo na. Hi po. Gusto niyo po ng balat? More? Mga unod na lang nito eh.
Wapo naman nag-slice.
Call, musta call?
Tingnan mo. Mas lalong pagwapo.
Iyon, no.
Thank you.
Ito pa po. Iyon, no. Konting kanin lang. Ulam ko prutas. Then, huwag natin kalimutan yung sauce ng lechon. Kuya, may mga dessert pa doon. Leche plan. Dami pa, kuya. So guys, as you can see, meron tayong DJ and families and friends are here. May isa pang lechon and kung nakikita niyo yung mga pagkain, may mga lumpia, you know, mga Filipino foods, you know. Hindi ko man maisa-isa lahat but, you know, ang dami guys. Merong mga dessert. Tignan mo naman si Ian. Yan, ano masabi mo yan? You guys can see that. And then sa mga bata, Irish, how are you? What are you doing? What are you making? Wow! Then sa mga bata dito, may mga laruan sila. Diyan yung entrance natin. And ito yung mga server ng mga drinks. I'm not sorry, dude. What? Can I order one beer, please? One beer? Yeah, one beer. I don't have an ID. I don't have an ID. Let me ask my manager. Doon nakikita niyo yun, guys. Ito lang yung hall. What did the manager say? Can I have one beer? Can I have one beer? I don't have an ID.
How old are you?
I'm 17 years old.
Oh, it says
No.
18. It says 18 plus.
Alright, can I get a juice only? Can I get juice only?
What kind of juice? Apple?
Apple juice. Ayan, no? Kita niyo yan, guys. Ibang klase yung ano. Thank you. Yan, no? Now, what would you say? You like serving drinks? You're baking it. What the heck? So yeah, guys. Ayan, may mga pumapasok. Meron din tayong host. And then, nandito si Kuya Arnold. Nakita niyo yun, guys? Si Kuya Arnold. Si Kuya JP and family, you know? So, there's a lot. There's a lot of people. Okay? May raffle na tayo, guys. Muntikan na yung number ni Kuya Arnold.
2028 kanina, muntikan.
Okay,
Yan, no?
next one
Bunot lang.
to win a bathroom mirror with Wi-Fi.
Wow!
How
Bathroom
about
meron
the
with
bathroom mirror?
Wi-Fi! Yan, no?
There's ticket number 713 020
27.
7.
Ah! What the heck? What the heck? Yo! Nakuha ko. What the heck? Yan! Yan, no? Sabi na nga mo eh. What?
Do you have a winner?
Yeah! Yan na! Yeah! Yan na!
02024.
Yan na! Yeah! Wow! 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 Grabe naman yan!
Sorry, you have to surrender.
Ano?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, no?
Up next is we'll have the adult games.
Yeah, no? Adult games. Ano kaya?
Who's ready for some games?
Game na ba? Game na ba?
Sorry kids, well, we will have to require adults for this.
Hello, good evening. I'm Jenaline, Pagabi Queenie.
Oh, may mga contender na tayo. Again, ladies, remember, you have prizes. You have prizes, ha? Okay, dito na ako mag-start. Yeah, kasi I want the best for last. Next up!
My name's Irish. I-R-S-H. Get it
Okay! Oh my god! The room's getting warmer. Let's be honest. Okay, next up!
Everyone, I'm Rose Garcia. Hi.
And the last but not the least, the house's batch. My favorite batch. velvet suede. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Lisbeth. And that's Lizelle.
Ayan. Sino ba naman hindi maiinitan when facing these gorgeous ladies, ano? Okay. We will have to start the game, pero we'll award the prize for who introduced themselves the sexiest later. Okay? For the oh! Ay, hindi. Ngayon pala, bibigay yung prize nung may sexiest na introduction. Okay. So dahil this was audited by JSGB sa scoring of who introduced themselves the sexiest. You know what? I think it's gonna be fair this way. I need to hear your claps and shouts. So once I point to that lady, if you bet that you know they introduce themselves as sexiest, you have to scream and clap your hands loud. Is that okay, audience? Okay. Nakaka-pressure ba yan? But yeah, okay. Starting with candidate number 1. She's a crowd favorite, but we'll see amongst the others. Okay, next, candidate number 2. Medyo, parehas sila, in a way. Candidate number 3. Okay. Candidate, wait, sandali. Kasi I have the gut feeling na yung mag-aaway talaga is yung middle two eh. So, I'll start on the left side. Candidate number 4, 6, 7. Ay, medyo, may pang-slap dala. Okay. Candidate number 6. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Let's go in. Candidate number 4. Last but not the least, candidate number 5. I think the people have spoken.
Ati,
Our winner for the sexiest introduction is candidate number 5. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, ladies. Can you please come here? Kasi maglalaro tayo. Do you want to put the box here? No. Okay, so Marian here would explain the mechanics of the game.
So, parang musical chair siya. You are eliminated. Depende sa kung... So, you're gonna go inside the garter. Tapos magsasasayaw kayo, ikot-ikot-ikot. Pag stop ng music, you have to get out of the garter. Whoever remains inside is out. And then, itatay natin siya hanggang sumikip hanggang 3, 2. Okay?
Kailangan mo sayo, ha?
Okay.
Ang kilit mo sayo.
Test drive muna. DJ, music please. Ay, gusto ko masasayaw! Ayaw ng pa-cute! Yes! last one to go out on the garter. Okay. 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 Okay lang, may price ka naman na. Yeah. Thank you so much. Sa bewang yung garter. Okay. Music please.
Alright, is everybody ready? Alright, now here we go. A one, a two, a one, two, three.
Vacation daw po. Thank you for joining us. Okay.
Sino nanalo? Sino nanalo?
Okay na siya. She's mad. But that's fine.
No, I'm good.
Okay, balik mo tayo dito, sa gitna. Okay, garter on the way, so you have to dance while roaming around the circle. Music, please. Okay, thank you. Sorry, sasabihin ko pa naman sana yung eye contact ni Miss na kabyak is nasa DJ para may kasunduan silang siya mananalo sana. It did not work. Okay. Please, come in the center. DJ, music please.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 강남 스타일 오빤 강남 스타일 에이 sexy lady 오빤 강남 스타일
Thank you for joining us. Okay.
Nanalo na si Mami.
Now, meron tayong top 2. Friends, let's clap our hands for our top 2. Okay. Okay, DJ, music
Here's my
please.
slide part 2, featuring the Platinum Band, and this time we're gonna get funky. Funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now we're gonna do the basic step. To the left now, y'all. To the left this time.
a good sport. Thank you so much. Let's clap our hands for the girls.
Yan ang mga drink delivery, ano? Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
I love 6'7". Who doesn't?
Yago na.
Yes. Good. Okay. And hopefully we'll have them by pair. Okay? So pick your pair. Pick your pair. Yes, a pair. You can choose amongst you guys. Like if you want to pair with that person or not. Okay. Okay, there. Meron siyang tamis. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So, okay, so earlier we enjoyed the ladies introducing themselves. And for sure, yung mga lalaki, hindi magpapatalo, di ba? Ano? Okay. So now it's the guys' time to introduce themselves in the sexiest way possible that they could. Pero, since this is a game of pair, they have to introduce themselves by pair. Okay? So you guys talk. Wala ba tayong palakpakan dyan para sa mga tatay? Okay. Sa mga tatay, tsaka mukhang tatay, okay na yan. Okay, our first pair.
We are Team JA!
Ano ba yan? Yung sexy ba yun? Yung sexy naman. Bigyan ko isa pang chance ha. Yung sexy ha. Yung mapapatili naman yung mga ladies natin. Diyos ko, ano ba yan? Okay. Baka kailangan nila ng palakpakan. Maybe we need a big round of applause! Okay. Our first pair.
I am Justin. And I'm Arnold. And we are Team JA!
Okay. I hope that time is enough for you guys to actually prepare yourselves. Okay. We have the second pair.
Music! My name is Bill. My name is Mark. We are Team Baguette!
Bagets na bagets ha. Okay. Third team.
My name is Robert. And my name is Ezra. And we are Team Albania Filipino.
May import. Okay. Please move forward. Bias ako dito. Okay. Team number 4.
What's day today? It's Saturn Day. No, it's Saturn Day.
Yes. Kasi they had time to do their choreography, pero okay lang yan. Okay, the last team tonight.
Hi, this is Archie.
This is Bison.
We are Archie Sir.
Bakit may fans lang? Hindi pwede yun. Okay. So now that they have introduced themselves, may I call on Marian to please explain the mechanics of the game.
Okay, simple. You're dancing the cha-cha with a ball on your foreheads. Cha-cha-cha! So, kung ano guys, kaninong bola yung malalaglag, out.
Okay, so cha-cha. Okay, so dancing cha-cha while the ball is in your forehead. And if it falls, then you're out of the game. All clear? Okay, guys, I need you to come in the center, please. Saturday, please come here. Okay, now put the balls in your foreheads. Forehead. No, that's cheating. Okay? Put the balls in your forehead. Okay. Sorry, one more thing. Kasi, like, you know, pag merong cup, parang ano siya, bias siya sa other jokes. Okay, again. Balls on foreheads, please. Let's dance our hearts out towards cha-cha. You have to dance. You have to dance. You're out. Couple number 5 is out. Couple number 3, thank you. Couple number 1, thank you. Yes! Yes! Thank you so much!
Grabe yun.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our hands for our winners!
Aray ko.
Thank you so much! Yes! Thank you!
May bigas na inuwi. You know, kaya galing.